Hi, it's Chris. Today we're going to show you how to install the spring latch on your dishwasher. It's a very easy repair, but a very important part. To install this part, we just need to pull your dishwasher out of the cabinets just slightly. However, it's been installed in your cabinet, you'll just need to remove the screws in order to pull it out. Remove the dishwasher from its enclosure. It only needs to come out this far. There's one screw that holds that latch in place. So with it out just this far, I'm able to remove that screw, remove the latch, put the new one in, and reinsert the screw. Remove the screw, tip the latch downward, slide it out. Take your new latch, slide it up into place, down over that post, put the screw back in, tighten it down, close your door, slide your dishwasher back in place. Now that the latch is in place, the dishwasher's been reinstalled, you're good to go, and your repair is complete.